Hi there, everybody. This is Marybeth Angelelli here with the Six Figure Stamp Club. And as always, I'm excited to be back on another video to share with you more information on the Six Figure Stamp Club, especially if you are seeking out a simple direct mail opportunity. The Six Figure Stamp Club provides you with everything that you need to be successful. Now, with the Six Figure Stamp Club, not only are you in a position when you get started and join to be able to receive income, cash in the mail, but you're also receiving stamps as well. So you're able to experience the best of both worlds, giving you what you need to successfully operate your very own direct mail order opportunity, okay? Because you'll have your cash, so that's going to allow you to work your business, invest in your business, and scale up your business over time. Of course, as you probably already know, the biggest expenditure with a 100% offline business is postage. And the Six Figure Stamp Club has that all taken care of because every person that signs up with you not only sends you cash, dependent upon the level that they join at, but they're also sending you stamps. So those stamps add up very, very nicely over time in addition to your cash. And the product being leads. As you know, leads are the lifeblood of every business out there. You need leads in order to have your opportunity presented in front of potential prospects who are seeking out a simple way to earn extra income from the comfort of their home in their spare time. So the Six Figure Stamp Club provides everything that you need to be successful, okay? It's an income generating opportunity, providing you with the cash that you need to run your business and scale up your business, the stamps that you need to continue to mail out your letters every week and be consistent for the best results, and the highest quality leads in the direct mail order industry so that you're getting your offer in front of the right prospects, okay? So that your offer converts and you can continue to earn with the Six Figure Stamp Club. So hopefully that makes sense. It's all very, very simple, and you can check everything out by going to my website. It's in the description below, mailbox-profits.com. All we're doing is we're just simply mailing out letters, okay? And we have 4 levels. We have a red, a blue, a black, and a pearl, okay? So there's something within the Six Figure Stamp Club to fit everybody's budget and resources. Now the letters look just like this, okay? You can get started at the red level. And on the first level, that produces $50 payments. On the second level, $20 payments. So this is a 2-level flyer, a 2-level letter. You can earn direct member to member. And then as you build your team and they go out there and produce and duplicate, you're in a position to receive second tier payments. It's very, very exciting, okay? So here's the red level right here, $50 on level 1, $20 on level 2. And you're also collecting 1 book of stamps with each new enrollment. Okay, so we have the red level right here. Our next letter is the blue, where you're in a position on the first tier to earn $150 payments, and on the second tier, $40 payments as your team members duplicate. Okay, and here you're receiving 2 books of stamps for the blue level. So this is the blue level letter, okay? Next, moving onward and upward, we have the black level, which is very, very popular. This puts you in a position to earn $300 cash payments on level 1 and $100 cash payments on level 2, and receive 3 books of stamps as a black level member, okay? And the letter looks just like this. And I have all 4 of these uploaded on my website. So as you go through entering your email address, you'll be taken inside. You'll be able to watch a couple short videos, and then you will see these 4 letters upload it. Okay, just click on the one that best fits you, get in where you fit in. You can always upgrade. Okay, now last but not least, our ever exciting Pearl level, where you are able to earn unlimited $1,000 cash payment. So this is a high ticket, top tier level letter. $1,000 on the first level, $500 payments on the second. And then this puts you in a position not only to receive these wonderful payments, but collect 10 books of stamps for every person that joins you at the Pearl level. So as you can clearly see, we have Pearl, we have Black, we have Blue, and we have Red. So there is a wide variety to select from to get started, and these are all uploaded on my website, mailbox-profits.com, once again, okay? Now when I mail out, I select usually one of these. I mean, you certainly can select two. There's really no specifics. I mean, you can send a lower level with a higher level. A lot of us do it that way, or you can also just narrow it down and send one letter, such as either perhaps the blue or the black. That converts very, very well by mail, okay? Just to let you know. Now, I also, since I've been doing this a long time, I've been doing direct mail order now very successfully for a little over 5 years. I do this full time. And in that duration, I've been able to carve out a really nice little niche for myself, okay? And largely dominate within the direct mail order industry and offline space just by, you know, committing, being consistent, and sticking it out. Okay, there's no magic here. There's no hidden agendas, no hidden secrets. You know, if you can advertise or mail out a simple letter, a lot of us, you know, we mail these out every single week. It's just committing to the process and being consistent. Start with what you can. My personal recommendation is 100 mail pieces a week for the best results. As you start to profit, it's a good idea to scale up, okay, and increase the size of your weekly mailings. Once you do that, as you increase your output, your input, your profits will increase as well, okay? You just have to be patient, folks. You don't want to give up. It's just all about stickability and consistency, okay? Just mailing letters. I also include this wonderful, wonderful cover letter that definitely builds the all-important know, like, and trust. So when my prospects receive these, in addition to receiving, you know, one of my letters, perhaps the blue or the black or both, they're able to see who I am, who's behind the send process, okay? So the way mine is structured, it works very, very well. I've got the logo right here, the Six Figure Stamp Club logo. I've got my picture in the upper left-hand corner, my name, and of course my contact information. So if somebody sees this and if they are seriously considering this, they have a ways and a means to contact me. That is key. That is important, all right? It shows that there's a real person with behind that letter, that they can get in touch with me if they so desire. And then I have a couple key highlights right here. Short, sweet, simple, right to the point. My signature. And then we have calls every single Sunday evening, 8:30 p.m. Eastern. They are recorded. So I've also elected to include that information at the bottom here. That way I'm extending an invitation. When somebody receives this, they can go the extra step, the extra mile, and tune in. Okay? So that is pretty much it, folks. This is how I mail out. There's no magic behind this. It's just really simple, like you're mailing a letter to a good friend or a family member. You just simply, you know, include, you know, the cover letter is optional, but highly, highly recommended for best results. So the way I do this, you know, I include this with 1 or 2 letters, and I just simply, you know, fold it up like this, insert it into a, you know, regular envelope, or you can just simply fold it like this and utilize one of these 6x9 color envelopes that I get really good results from, okay? And you can pick these up. You can order these online on Amazon. Just do a search on color envelopes, okay? I stick to the nice, you know, pastel colors, a nice bright for spring and summer. Works out very well. So again, you just fold it once like this, and you're just inserting it into one of these envelopes, placing a stamp that you collect through your membership in the Six Figure Stamp Club, and a pill and stick lead labels that you get when you join, and you can also reorder more. That's one of the biggest benefits and advantages to being a member of the Six Figure Stamp Club, okay? The the guesswork is taken out of the equation, okay? Because you're receiving cash. That's what you need to operate a profitable business. You're receiving stamps as new members join you, and that's the biggest expenditure in any offline business. So it significantly defrays the cost of your postage. And you also have access to the best, highest quality leads in the direct mail order industry. So you're not having to search out where to go to purchase leads and playing guessing games and going through the trial and error, okay? These are very high quality leads, and they work if you work them, if you utilize them, okay, to the fullest. They come on pill and stick lead labels like this. The company will send them to you. You have your choice to order from whatever quantity is best for you, okay? As a member, you receive these at a very nice price, okay? So that's one of the benefits, the many benefits to membership with Six Figure Stamp Club, okay? So all you do is you peel one of these off and you just simply apply it with a stamp that you will be collecting as new members join you, okay? So you have everything that you need to run a successful business with the Six Figure Stamp Club. And this is how I do it, folks. It's really simple. The process is simple. You don't want to overthink. You don't want to overanalyze, overcomplicate. We're just simply getting copies. I print my own copies off, okay? I have 2 resources that are very, very cost effective. If you don't have access to a printer or you choose not to use your own printer, you can go to one of these 2 places and order online, because when you do join, you do receive everything sent to you digitally. All your information, your resources, your reorder form, and your leads, in addition to your letters, okay? So you can save the letters, download the letters, print your own letters, email the letters. Very, very simple. And then, of course, you're going to receive these in the mail, okay? Because this is the product, okay? Leads are the product of the Six Figure Stamp Club, and they look just like this, okay? So this is how I do it, folks. Cover letter, 1 letter or 2 letters, folding it, inserting it into an envelope, applying a postage stamp and a pill and stick lead label, sealing it up, and simply just dropping it in the mailbox throughout the week and just being consistent. That's all there is to it, folks. Really, really simple. Anybody can do this business, okay? You just need to commit and be consistent and mail out your letters, and the results will come. So without further ado, I went to my mailbox and had some right over here. Okay, today was Saturday, and again, another wonderful day with the Six Figure Stamp Club, 2 and 2. So a grand total of 4. I'm just going to share with you what came in the mailbox today, just to show you what is possible. Now, you know, results do vary. As an income disclaimer, you know, results are not typical. However, they are highly attainable, highly achievable with a good work ethic, consistency, and just, you know, staying consistent and committed to the business and working the business. If you work this business, folks, as you clearly can see, the business does and will work for you. So just going to go ahead and open this up here. Just going to cut this right down the side just to play it safe, and we'll see what we have. Now this one came from Erica. So thank you very much, Erica. Welcome aboard. We also do have a wonderful Facebook community that you'll be added to. So you'll be able to have access to additional information and resources that'll definitely be in your best interest and provide you with even greater value as a member. Another new blue member came in, $150, okay, and 2 books of stamps. So blue, or 2 books of stamps, and $150 cash payment. So thank you very much, Erica, and welcome aboard. Welcome to the team. So we'll go ahead and set this one aside, and moving onward to number 2. Okay, here's another one coming in from Henry in California. So thank you very much, Henry, and we're going to open your envelope up as well, and let's see what has been sent. Okay, we have a red level. Red levels receive 1 book of stamps and $50 payment. So thank you very much, Henry. And there is another 50. So that is $200 so far that we're up by on this wonderful, gorgeous spring Saturday, Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful moms out there. Hope hoping everybody's enjoying a wonderful, restful, relaxing, and fun weekend, okay? This is from Rick in Virginia. Thank you very much, Rick. And we'll just open her up right here, okay? Priority. Okay. So let's see what we have. We have a wonderful magazine. Okay, and looks like Rick is joining us at the red level also. And inside we have $50 and a book of stamps. So thank you very much, Rick. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the team. So that is $250, I believe. Setting this aside, and last but not least, we have one more to go. Now, my contact information is below. Texting and calling me is the best, absolute best way to reach me. You'll also find my website, mailbox-profits.com. Just simply enter your email address. You'll go inside. There'll be a couple videos for you to preview if you desire. And then you'll see below those, my 4 letters are there, and they're uploaded. Click the one that best fits you, red, blue, black, or pearl. You have 4 wonderful choices, and then go ahead and get you set up and get started, okay? So, oops, let's see here. We've got this stuck here, okay? Love that. Lots of fun. This is from Renee, okay? This is from Renee in Florida. So thank you very much, Renee. Welcome to the team. Let's see what is inside. And Renee is coming in as a black level member, sending 3 books of stamps, 1, 2, and 3. So as you see, folks, not only are you receiving cash payments, but you're receiving stamps. So how fun and how cool is that? That's what you need to be successful, folks, because this is giving you your working capital. This is giving you your stamps to mail out. And as a member, you're having access to the best leads, the highest quality leads that money can buy, folks. And that's essential. That's important, okay? So you have all the different elements, all the essential elements, should I say, necessary to be successful. $300, folks, in addition to the $250. So that's $550 on this wonderful Saturday in May, folks. Okay, so there's $300, and I believe we had $150 plus 50 was $200 plus 50 was $250 plus $300. That makes $550. So thank you very much. And then in addition, I'm up by these books of stamps, which is absolutely amazing and wonderful. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books of stamps that I will put to good use this coming week as I continue to do my weekly mailings and continue to spread that good news with the 6-figure stamp club. So thank you very much. Make it a great weekend. Have fun. God bless, and I'll see you very soon on another 6-figure stamp club video. Take care and talk to you soon. Any questions, connect with me. My contact information is below, 330-787-1795. Go to my website. You'll be able to access all the information and the letters to get started. Text or call any questions, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.